Hi there. I think this is going to replace part two. Part two, I tried to disable audio to see if it was resources. Now I have, as you can see here, I've cut the load right down. And what I've managed to do is I've literally killed loads of the different parts of console and left it as basic as possible. So we've just got a console server and console itself running. If I extend this, so there were ingress and there were loads of different parts of console that was enabled, and that was in kubernetes. Console values that why now. So I've sync catalog has been made false. This has been made false. This has been made false, and it's still working. The intermittency was, yeah, you can see here, nulls, and then beer, and then nulls, and then lots of beers, and so I'm not sure. I mean, at the moment, the console has got specifically these two nodes, but I don't think it's related to the nodes. Oops. Sorry, let me just go back into it again. So it has got these two nodes, and they've got their services. Oh, this one's got no services. I've changed some of the stuff in the script. So I might make this part 3 now, because things have changed. But in console services, there they are. So in here now, internal error, still. I know when I was doing, see, it could be this PC now. I've spilled coffee on it as well. Whether that has anything to do with the misbehavior, I don't think so, because everything else works fine. I just know that when I was trying to do videos with the original earlier micronaut stuff, I had problems, and with video running, I had resource issues. But you can see here it has been working with bare minimal. So I'm a little bit stuck. What I need to do is move away from this PC at this point and point to, there we go, it's working now. And if we have a look at the logs, we can show you it's working, but we know it's working. So that'll be from waiter going to billing, and billing's responded, and that's when we get that beer. Otherwise, when it doesn't hit this, it has no fallback, and that's when we get the internal server error. And we've got that again now. So at the moment, we won't be getting it, and in waiter, we will see errors of null point exception for and this is when it has worked. This is when it hasn't worked. You see here it's done a beer without any problems, and there are other places where it you know, and this is another beer. So there's two beers served here with no errors. And I have traced down the error. It's very minute in the difference. It's just this bit here. Anyhow, I'll call this the second video, I think now. As I say, I had lots of things enabled and I thought maybe there's a conflict. None of those things have been a problem. And we are running pretty much very basic stuff now. So, yeah, anyhow, bye.